Hey guys, it's me Lacey, and in today's video we will be guessing and rating my squishies. Sorry about my frizzy hair. I'll be right back once I got a little bit of this done. Okay, I did it a little bit and just put some stuff to make it more slick back. So we have to guess it and rate it. And I have to try to do 7 rounds. If I can do all 7 rounds and complete the challenge, then I did it. So I have to guess it correctly, and I have to rate it. And then if I do it all correctly, then there's 7 rounds. And if I get all 7 rounds, then I win and I get the point. And it's basically like a challenge. Okay, so let's start. Sorry, I don't have my a holder, so it's not really a good angle. It's kind of a good angle. Okay, this isn't bad. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna do this chore. I think this is, which chore? I don't know. Okay, and then we have to try to guess it and read it. Oh, this one's really easy to guess because this is the only one that's a big Orbeez. So, I would probably rate this like a 9.5, and it's a big Orbeez. That's 1 point. And I'm actually gonna change it to 10 rounds because 7 isn't equaled, and they're going to be pretty quick because it shouldn't take me that long. Because I know my squishies so well. And if I can get them all right, then that's honestly pretty good. So let's move on to the second round. But this round I did really, I got them both right, and I even guessed which drawer it was in. Oh yeah, to win I have to get 10 points, and there's 10 rounds. So, 9 more rounds. Round 2. Okay, let's see if we can do this. This is definitely the Tab Squishy door, but can I guess which one? Well, it's in the bag is the thing. Okay, this is the Tab Squishy. Wait a minute. Okay, I would probably rate this. I think it's the dog. It's not that good though. I promise I'm not cheating, guys. So I'm gonna rate it a 5. Probably, how did you get that if it's in the bag? Because it's the only one that has this type of corners. And it's the only one that's not very good. Like, this one's good. Like, the dog's good and all. It's nice. It's just not my favorite tablet. So, it's time for round 3. Round 3. Let's go. Okay, let's go to the bottom random drawer. And let's pick. Oh, this one. I love this squishy. This is my cat squishy, and I rated a 10. Yes. Okay, I'm actually really good at this. I'm gonna try to make it harder. I don't know what drawer will be hard. Maybe Tab Squishy drawer, so maybe we should do that. Well, Tab Squishy or Random, because Random has some, duplicates. Like, for example, what's kind of hard to guess? Like, these ones, they're they both have ears. They both have something on their head. They're kind of hard. They're just a little different texture, so that's the only way you can tell the difference. I have to tell which color jelly bean it is if I get a jelly bean. This one's gonna be pretty easy. My glitter one. Oh, I was gonna turn this into a dumpling. Kind of want to keep it as it is though, because it's honestly kind of good squishy. It has a lot of air. But yeah, I'm gonna do Tab Squishies. Time for round 4. Okay, round 4, I'm gonna go do that. Okay, what is this? Oh, I don't know. Should I take a guess? I'm gonna guess croissant. And I rated a 8. No! Guys, this is one of my favorite Tab Squishies. This is the chip. I think this is my favorite. Wait, is this one my favorite? What do you think? Probably this one or the ice cream. No. How could I get my favorite wrong? I guess I could actually feel it. If I actually felt it though, I would guess it. Oh. But yeah. I got it wrong, so I better cancel shop. You can get bonus points though, which is a good thing. How many points we're up to? We're up to 3 points. It's kind of hard to keep track and keep track of the rounds. Okay, anyways, we have a couple more rounds left. So yeah, hopefully we can get some bonus points. If I can guess the drawer, we'll do a bonus point. Okay. Okay. Oh. This was the glittery green glitter ball. And this is in my favorite drawer. I know because it's one of my favorites. And I rated it a 10 out of 10. Yes. Anything in this drawer will be a 10 out of 10. So now I have how many points? I have 5 points. And I have like 4 rounds left. What round is this? I don't know. I'm just going to guess, and I'm going to think it's around 6, maybe? Oh, I kind of like made a big mess in my drawer, though. I was going to pick this one, I think, is the one I had. It was like stuck. Yeah, I think it was this one. If I got this, though, I would also guess it. I think I would guess honestly almost all of my squishies. Tower squishies, I have to say, are definitely harder. Maybe the sushis would be kind of hard because they're like sometimes different. I don't know. Okay, time for round 7. I'm trying to do 2 more rounds. 3 more. Wait, that's not fair because, okay, we're gonna do 3 more rounds. I'm currently at 6 points and do 3 more. How about I have to get to 9 points because or else it wouldn't be fair. It would be impossible. Wait, no, actually, I have to get to 10 points and there's only 3 more rounds left. And I'm currently at 6, I think. No, I'm at 5, and I have to get 6. Oh, and there's only 3 more rounds. So that means I have to get 2 bonus. Please, I need a bonus. Okay, this door's calling my name. This is the Pineapple Squishville Squishy. It's in the bottom drawer. And I rated it a 5 out of 10. Yes, okay, I got a bonus point. So that is now at 7 points. I need 3 more points. And I'm going to do 2 more rounds. I don't even know if I'm doing 10 rounds, but it's so hard to keep track of this. I was going to save the bunny one. Okay. Oh, I know which drawer this is. Strawberry Slow Rise, and this is in my big squishy drawer, and it's red. Oh, I forgot to rate it. We can rate it with my eyes open. I'd probably rate this one like a 7.5. It's like pretty good. It would be good for wax cracking, I feel like. Okay, so I got that one right, so that gets me from 7 to 9 points. I need 1 more point and 1 more round. So, let's do it. So we just have to get the last round, and then we win. Okay, guys, I'm scared what drawer we're gonna pick. Okay. Okay, we're picking this one. Okay. Okay, I'm not allowed to feel him. That was my blue paw because it's the only big one. It was in my Tabba Squishy drawer, and I rated it 8 out of 10. Yes, okay. I was like, wait, this is my only big one. I was scared, but this is my only big Tabba Squishy, so I win. I got 10 points. I think I did 10 rounds, but it's hard to keep track of both. And that will be it for today's video. See you in my next. Bye!